Looking for a home in the Lehigh Valley lately is discouraging and frustrating. I get it. One minute you're walking through a home and the next day it's under agreement. You feel like you can't find the perfect home, and when you finally do, it's scooped up by someone else. Listen, you have to keep your chin up. If you want to make sure you stand a chance competing against any other buyer, here are a few things you can do to get the upper hand. First, get pre-approved. Being pre-approved opposed to pre-qualified will have a better impact on your offer. You'll have a stronger negotiating position, and the moment you're ready to make an offer, you're good to go. Second, if you end up checking out a property and want to submit an offer, decide quickly. Your dream home could be gone the next day if you wait too long thinking about it. While choosing a home is a big decision, you need to decide quickly if you want to stand a chance. So, be in the right mind frame to make a decision quickly and be mentally prepared to make a decision right away. Third, know what your must-haves and your wants are. If you know a home must have a garage or a basement or a certain amount of rooms, don't go check out any property that doesn't meet that prerequisite. If you want a kitchen that has a center island, but a property doesn't have one, don't let that stop you from submitting an offer on that home that might otherwise be perfect for you. In this market, you may have to compromise more than you would if there was more inventory to look at. So you have to keep an open mind to make a great home your perfect dream home. These are just a few pointers that will save you a boatload of time when searching for your new home, and doing these things will make it much less frustrating.